Tap Menu in the Home screen. Tap Network Settings. Tap Select Wired Wireless LAN. Tap Wireless LAN. Setting up connection by selecting a wireless router. Tap Wireless LAN Settings. Read the message that is displayed and tap OK. Tap SSID Settings. Tap Select Access Point. The machine starts searching for available wireless routers. Select a wireless LAN router. Select the router whose SSID matches the one that you have written down. Enter the network key that you have written down. Enter the network key using the numeric keys and tap Apply. Tap Yes. Check that the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking on the operation panel. The Wi-Fi indicator blinks when a wireless router is detected. When the setup is completed, the screen below is displayed, and approximately 2 seconds later, the Wi-Fi indicator lights up. Ensure your smartphone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the Canon Print app. Open App Store on your smartphone, go to the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Canon Print, type Canon Print Inkjet SELPHY in the search bar. Install the app. Download and install the app on your smartphone. Open Canon Print app. Launch the app once it has been installed. Add printer. Tap on the plus icon or select Add Printer. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app should automatically search for printers on the same Wi-Fi network. Select your MF237w from the list. Follow prompts. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. You may need to confirm that you want to connect to this printer. Once everything is set up, try printing a test page from the Canon Print app. Select a document or photo and choose the print option.